Hello guys, today we are going to mount a mirror from IKEA, one of the best one in the market, Stockholm. So I think this mirror has two sizes, and right now you can see exactly two hooks at the back. We have to use them for mounting on the wall. The simple way to do that is exactly using and making a template for it. You can see I just use a tape, put it at the back of the mirror, and just point it where are the hooks, exactly where are the holes. And right now, we are going to measure it, exactly hole to hole, or side to side the mirror. It should be about 26 inches. So for the center, we are going to point it out, around 13 inches. And for the height, I'm going to measure from the top of the mirror until the hole. It's about 15 centimeters. So I know where exactly I have to mount it on the wall. I point it out. Right now, I'm going to exactly measure the wall because I want to mount it in the center of the wall. So I want to make sure that my client will be happy when I'm going to mount it on the wall. So right now I pointed exactly the center and also the height. Okay. Right now we are going to use the template. Exactly pointed the center of the tape in the center of the wall that we want. But for the square one, it's totally different. I do not recommend to do that because always the ceilings are totally off. Okay, right now I'm going to grab the screws and everything. So let's first put the screw inside the wall. Obviously, we are living in North America and we have drywalls. So we have to first make a hole. We have no studs, no worries. We are going to use anchors. Exactly right here, we have no studs. So let's exactly use the appropriate anchor. Okay, the right one is done. These kind of anchors is one of the best in the market. It's from Easy Anchor, I think. So I did the screw inside of that. Perfect. Okay, I remove every kind of tapes on the wall. It's the final step. Right now, we have to hang it exactly from these two holes. Normally my clients or my colleagues, they have the issue with hanging that one because it has two small hooks. But right now you can see that with using a template, you can easily mount it without any issues. Okay, have fun guys.